Hang on. Flash flood warning! It's for Pueblo.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 8 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pueblo, Lend, and Salt Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.
Doubleheader. It's doubleheader, yep. Severe thunderstorm warning. It's for Pueblo County.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pueblo, moving northwest at 20 miles an hour. Other strong to severe storms were also noted in northwest Pueblo County. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail. Hazard, golf ball-size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicates.
Yeah, it's for Pueblo.
Impact.
Remember, my county is El
Outdoors
Paso.
will be injured. Expect hail damage
That's
to
not for
roofs,
me, so
siding,
I'm good.
windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree
I know.
damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes,
Okay.
roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pueblo, Boone, Pueblo Reservoir, Salt
You just
Creek,
ring the elevator
Glen,
while I'm doing this
Avondale,
EAS alert.
Pueblo West, Pueblo Depot, and Pinion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah. Doubleheader? Nope, tripleheader.
The National Weather
Nope.
Service has